much club.
Shot.
I put an extra.
Man.
I went an extra club because it was a wind.
You could definitely go out. You go too far left here. Yeah, caught one or take it over that tree. That's playable, you know. Oh, that's a great shot, man. Thank you.
He could have just caught it and opened the fish up a little bit.
It's a good shot though. Gotta hit it or you got zero chance of making it. Then. Oh, fuck. How far out did you go? Alright, good push. Alright, I'll crank one. Just a dog leg left, it looks like.
Yeah, a little slight left.
Okay. See if we can hit a little draw on this one. Come on. Check that out, YouTube. This place was on fire right here not too long ago. Look at this shit. That's pretty wild looking. Don't worry, Bobby. This is going right on the green, brother. There's a lot of green to the left there, you know?
Yeah, I should have hit a little bit more left.
Come on. Come on. Sit. Sit. Damn, can't get it close, man. Thank you. All right, we're putting. Go ahead and put that in for me there.
I get him a little closer. We'll start dropping him.
Go ahead, Ray. Put that in for us, brother.
My putting's terrible.
That's why I want you to. I want you to get a feel. Come on, brother.
Put it in. Just
put that in, Ray.
Just straight in. Like that. Don't even think about it. Just hit it straight in.
Right in. Don't even think about it. Stop.
She's still bad. Here, Charlie.
I saw you, right?
Yeah. Good luck with that.
You don't need luck. It's a great ball. It's a great ball. Right on the corner. Great shot, man. Beauty.
I got some good shots in me.
There it is. I know.
Set.
Thin for the win on that one, boys.
That were them little twigs are up there. A little less space than I did. Come on. That was a good putt, though, man. Very good putt. Yeah, you gotta go. Are you right? Go ahead.
That's in. No? Alright, come on. Let's put this in.
Oh,
Our
that's
part.
good.
Come on.
We did it. All right. We got to start getting some birdies. Getting out of this game.
Yeah, we gotta slow down then, John. We can't be rushing all the time.
Yeah, we gotta get birdies. We just gotta get them closer.
No one behind us.
You want a drink? Want a beer or anything? You got any booze on there?
You got any booze on there?
Beer. Fuck a beer.
He wants the good stuff.
I gotta get fucked up.
Show them how it's done. There it is. There's the shot.
That's a bomb right down the middle. Nice shot, Bob. Get it back with that, Bob. Gonna ride it. Smoke. Cut. Keep cutting. More cut.
It could be pretty.
Cut. Oh, it's all over it.
Oh man, we're going.
It's all over it. What a shot.
Whoa.
What a shot.
Eagle,
Hunting for
man.
I'm
eagle.
not even hitting the ball.
Hunting for eagle. All right. So Bobby just pumped one like 310 into the fairway for a long drive. And now look where he's at. Look at this shot. Look at this. For eagle. Hello. Thank you, sir.
Right in the gun, on the right side.
Right in the hole, Bobby. You're too
Don't give the cup away.
you're too close to give that away.
Right, go to the right side of the cup.
That's what I said. Yeah.
Yeah, you're
Yep.
you're too
I'm
close
sorry,
to give
the
that
left
away.
side of the cup.
That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah, I was standing on the other side.
Yeah, don't give that cup away. Yep. None of us even brought our putters, man.
Well, we had to-
You know what I mean? We got Bobby on our team.
I know.
Another good one. That's smoke. Right, that's smoke.
Great ball, kid.
Yeah, that's a good shot, man. I'll take that shot. Kidding me?
It's a bomb.
Thank you.
There you go.
You know what? Oh no! I think there's a magnetic pull in that direction.
That's gonna work, dude.
No run. I don't know.
35 to the front.
35. Got it. Come on.
Oh, I like it. Come on, get the bounce. Get in the hole. Get in the hole. Nice hit.
Thank you. Good, there you go. Good strike.
That ain't right. Right club.
Come on. I need that.
Oh, good shot. Oh, good shot.
Yeah, you heard you had to go to the right. The roll, the roll. Sometimes it just gets
Yeah, I
my
know what
head.
you mean. Come on. Swing and draw left there. Let's go.
Come on back, kid.
Oh, it's coming
Oh, yeah,
back.
great ball.
That's what we
Great
needed.
ball, kid.
Come on.
Good swing, kid.
Oh.
Just get on the green, that's all.
That's all. You just get on the green.
Stop
Get
leaking.
on the green.
Oh,
Yeah,
short.
came off short.
I towed it.
It's all right.
Little toey.
It's all right. See you at ball.
All right, chip in the pot. Come on.
That's it.
Come on, hit the ball, Mary.
Oh, that's a great chip.
Front out. Front
That's
out.
the one.
Front out.
Oh, go. How'd that land that soft?
Come on, Ray. Show us who's the ball.
Dude, I thought that was
Right to the
on.
ball.
Yeah, I didn't get no run.
My penis.
Probably
Wanna
have
try
one.
it, right?
We seen his snuff small.
You see my small penis.
Wanna try? It's in.
Oh, baby.
Bobby, Bobby. Oh,
one.
baby.
There's the one.
Oh,
Great
baby.
ball. Great ball.
Smoked.
Drew it
Yo,
home,
you
baby.
couldn't hit it in a better spot than that, I don't think. What a
Ah,
shot.
he's going to show you.
What a
Bobby's
shot.
going to show us where to hit it.
What a
Come on, it's coming back. It's definitely working back.
Oh, good kick.
Come on, keep
All
rolling.
right, Bobby. Let's see what this thing does. Straight putt, Bob. Great speed, man. It's just hard to tell yourself that it needs to be that high.
Yeah.
Another par.